Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to use themes in Windows 11. So firstly, you have to go to the Settings application, go to the Start menu, click on it, and here in the left panel, go to the Personalization, and here you can choose from the ready-made themes made by the Windows. For example, I want this dark theme, and I can add my own customization to it. You can watch specialized guides on our channel to better customize the themes. You can change just background color, and for example, I want red color to make it more contrast. And once I have customized this theme and I want to save this theme as my own, I have to go to the Themes button and here click Save, and you can name this theme as you want. Enter, save, and now we can switch between this default themes and our own theme. We can also delete it, but to delete this theme we have to switch to another and now delete. And that's all. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and the most important thing, have a great day.